Driver by Mbugua wa Mungai. Dear Mr. Matatu Driver, I need Grandma and Grandpa to arrive home safely. Without them, who will boil sweet potatoes for me to wash down with the curdled milk of their sweet stories? Patience as they board your matatu. Miss Matatu Driver, I need Dad to arrive home relaxed. Without him, who will dutifully pay my school, that I may drink from Teacher's river of knowledge about the wide world. Charge him fairly when he boards your matatu. Mr. Matatu Driver, I need my mother and sister to arrive home happy. Without them, who will take me to hospital when I am unwell, for doctor and nurse to mind my health, a productive person to become. No offensive names when they board your matatu. Mr. and Miss Matatu Driver, obeying traffic rules is a golden rule for getting us all home safe and happy.